Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you the story of one of the most important and successful leaders in the world of technology, Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. His life is like a journey full of hard work, challenges, and amazing achievements. This is not just a story about a businessman. It's a story about a boy with big dreams who changed the world of computers and artificial intelligence. So, sit back, relax, and listen carefully, because this story will inspire you to believe in your dreams, just like Jensen did. Let's start with his childhood, where it all began. Jensen was born on February 17, 1963, in Taipei, which is the capital of Taiwan. His parents were both from China, but they moved to Taiwan before Jensen was born. He was very young when his family moved to the United States and they settled in Oregon. Jensen's parents were both hardworking people. His father was an engineer and his mother was a school teacher. They wanted their son to have a good education and a better life. Life wasn't easy for them, but they were very proud of their son's intelligence and dreams. Jensen was always interested in technology, even as a young child. He loved playing with electronics, fixing things, and asking questions about how the world worked. His parents encouraged him to study hard and follow his passion. Jensen's early years in Oregon were full of challenges. His family didn't have a lot of money, so Jensen learned to appreciate the value of hard work and dedication. He wasn't a rich kid, but he didn't care. He loved learning and wanted to make something special out of his life. When Jensen was older, he decided to go to Stanford University, one of the best universities in the United States. At Stanford, he studied electrical engineering, which was the perfect fit for him because he loved technology. While at Stanford, Jensen was always thinking about how to make computers faster and better. He dreamed of creating something that could change the world. After graduating in 1984, Jensen moved to Silicon Valley, the heart of the technology world. It was here that he started working at a company called LSI Logic, which made chips for computers. Jensen was very smart and quickly became known for his skills. But despite his success, he wasn't satisfied. He wanted to create something on his own, something big. In 1993, Jensen and two of his friends, Chris Malachowski and Curtis Priam, decided to start their own company. They wanted to create a new kind of technology that would make computers even more powerful. They called their company NVIDIA, a name that comes from the Latin word invidia, meaning envy. They believed that their technology would make people look at computers in a new way. NVIDIA started with a small team, and their goal was to create powerful graphics cards that would change how computers could process images and videos. The company was new and had a lot of competition, but Jensen was determined. He believed that the future of technology was in graphics and that powerful computer chips would one day be used for more than just gaming. At first, NVIDIA struggled to get attention. The company was small, and they didn't have much money. But Jensen didn't give up. He knew that with hard work and dedication, NVIDIA could make a difference. In 1995, they released their first graphics card, and it was a huge success. This was just the beginning of NVIDIA's rise. As the years went by, Jensen's vision for the company grew. He saw that the future of computers wasn't just about graphics for video games, it was about creating artificial intelligence, AI, that could help solve real-world problems. He believed that powerful graphics cards could also be used to make AI smarter and faster. Jensen and his team at NVIDIA worked on creating the world's most advanced chips for AI and deep learning. By the early 2000s, NVIDIA had become one of the most important companies in the tech world. People started to see that Jensen was not just creating products for gamers, but for scientists, doctors, and engineers who needed powerful computers to solve big problems. NVIDIA's chips were used in everything from self-driving cars to supercomputers, helping to make the world a better place. In 2012, Jensen's vision became even clearer when NVIDIA introduced the Tesla line of chips, which were designed specifically for AI research. These chips helped speed up the process of training AI systems, making them smarter and more capable. NVIDIA's technology was now being used by top universities, research labs, and even big companies like Google and Facebook. Jensen's leadership and vision were key to NVIDIA's success. He was known for being passionate, focused, and willing to take risks. He made decisions that others might have thought were too bold, but he always believed in his team and his ideas. Thanks to his hard work, NVIDIA became a leader in the field of artificial intelligence and graphics technology. But Jensen's journey wasn't without challenges. The world of technology is always changing, and there were times when NVIDIA faced tough competition. However, Jensen always stayed focused on his goal to create the best technology in the world. He knew that if he stayed true to his vision, he could lead NVIDIA to even greater heights. Jensen's company continued to grow. NVIDIA became one of the most valuable tech companies in the world, and Jensen became one of the richest and most influential people in Silicon Valley. But despite his success, Jensen remained humble and dedicated to his work. He was always looking for new ways to improve his company and the world of technology. Jensen's leadership also helped NVIDIA through some difficult times. For example, in the late 2000s, the company faced challenges from competitors who were making similar products. But Jensen didn't panic. Instead, he focused on innovation, creating new technologies that were ahead of the curve. This allowed NVIDIA to stay at the top of the tech world. One of Jensen's biggest achievements was his work on AI. NVIDIA's graphics processing units, GPUs, were perfect for the job of training artificial intelligence, and this helped make AI more accessible to companies and researchers. In 2018, NVIDIA introduced the world's first AI supercomputer, and it became a game changer in the tech industry. With AI playing a bigger role in our daily lives, Jensen's company was helping to shape the future of technology. Today, NVIDIA is a leader in both gaming and artificial intelligence, and Jensen Huang is one of the most respected figures in the tech world. His story is an inspiration to anyone who has ever dreamed of changing the world through technology. From a small boy with big dreams to the CEO of one of the most successful companies in the world, Jensen has shown us that with hard work, vision, and dedication, anything is possible. In 2024, NVIDIA became the most valuable company in the world. Its market value has reached an incredible $3.43 trillion, making it even bigger than Apple, whose market value is $3.38 trillion. Jensen Huang's dream of changing the world of technology has come true. Under his leadership, NVIDIA has become a global leader in innovation and is known for pushing the boundaries of what's possible with computers. So, what can we learn from Jensen Huang's life? We learn that, no matter where we come from, no matter how small our dreams may seem, at the beginning, we can achieve great things if we work hard and stay focused on our goals. Just like Jensen, you have the power to make your dreams come true. Keep believing in yourself, and remember, the future is full of possibilities.